Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload short videos to YouTube on your PC. The process is straightforward and effortless. So, to upload short videos to YouTube, you have to do two things. The first thing is to make sure your video is less than 60 seconds. The most important thing is your video aspect ratio should be 9:16, which means your video needs to be vertical, not horizontal. I have a sample of my short video, which I will upload to YouTube before uploading. Let me show you my sample. So you can see from here, the video is in vertical form, which means up to down, not horizontally. Make sure these two things, and after making sure, go to YouTube and sign in with that account. In which way do you want to upload your short video? After this, tap on this video icon and tap on the first option, Upload Video. Once you do, it will redirect to your YouTube Creator Studio. Here is the option to drag and drop video. You can select a file from your PC by tapping on the Select File. You can also drag that file directly from your folder, like me. I'm going to my folder and dragging the file. Now the video is uploaded on YouTube. The first thing to do is write the title of your video, like I am writing. After writing the title, here is the option description. Tap on it. Write a description for your video, and if I scroll down, here you can see the option. For now, you can't change the thumbnail on your shorts. This means that YouTube considers my videos short. Here is the option playlist. Select the playlist. And if I scroll down, here are more options, like made for kids or not. And if I scroll down more here, you can write tags. But for now, I will skip it after this. Tap on the option. Next. Next. And next. Here. Make your video public, unlisted, or private. I will publish it for the public. So, tap on the option, Publish it. Now, my video has been uploaded to YouTube as a shot. And let me show you by tapping on this short icon. Here you can see I uploaded this video to YouTube as a short. So it was the primary way by which you could upload your video on YouTube as a shot from your PC. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.